TSA has been in business for 31 plus years. And we've been in that business because we've always put our customers first. And what that means is our relationships are long term. It's not what's right for today, what's right for this month. It's what's right for these customers. With UAC, we actually understand where their business is going, what they're trying to achieve. So it allows us to come in, help develop solutions that are going to augment and help that environment and help them grow their overall business.
At UAC, we're a family. And what are we looking for in a partner? Someone who fits the family culture and takes their business as seriously as we do. So a company like TSA is somebody we can count on.
So when we looked for someone like TSA, we were really focusing on what that is as a partnership. We rely on them to be the experts and to provide us with the innovative solution to be successful.
It's important for us to understand the outcomes that they're ultimately trying to deliver, because every industry is becoming a technology industry. So understand what product are they bringing to market to their customers. How can we help to provide better outcomes, faster outcomes, more cost-effective outcomes, be predictable so that they're able to more effectively compete in their industry.
We were looking at the ball ground plant. We were looking at bringing in new wireless technology. But we were looking for something that would be more than just regular WAPs, a regular wireless that you would have maybe at your home or an office.
You got to realize that it's not a great environment for Wi-Fi. There's a lot of metal, there's a lot of presses, and a lot of interference. So we had to go through and do a design and architecture to help make it so they could have Wi-Fi in that facility, and then leverage sensors to start monitoring these devices and pull it all together to figure out what do we need to measure, how's that going to work, and kind of pull the analytics out of it.
And then my job was to make sure that I architect a solution to meet not only the technical objectives, but the business requirements for today and for the next few years to come.
I know that they're keeping us on the cutting edge of products and services and technology that we need to keep driving our business forward.
If you want to be ahead in IT, you always have to be on your feet on what's coming out. And with TSA, we're able to do that.
I look forward to building a UAC type relationship with all of my customers, just because it's great to work with people that you know, people that you trust, people that you want to make successful.
We've seen us grow, but we're also seeing UAC now embrace technology and leverage that in ways they've not done in the past. They're making acquisitions to go and leverage more technology to improve things in their environment. So it's been exciting to watch our diversity change over the last several years, and at the same time watch UAC environments change from an IT perspective as well.
Companies like TSA make us better, and they're expert at what they do, and we need them in the family.